Hello there, for today's video, I will teach you how to remove background on any pictures in just 10 seconds without using any software. I have here a picture downloaded from pxels.com. And I want to remove the background. Watch this tutorial to know how to remove any background on any pictures for free. I am creating a thumbnail using Photopea for my YouTube channel, and I want to use this image. However, I want to remove the background manually, so let's delete this and proceed to the tutorial. On your browser, search on Remove BG, then select the first one. Now we see Upload option on the screen. Just click on it to upload the files you want to remove the background. Wait for it, it will take a few seconds to finish removing the background. When finished, click on Download. Let's take a look at the final result. Amazing, the background of the image is now removed almost instantly without using any software. Now, let's go to the photo editor and add this image. That's all for this video. If this helped you, consider subscribing and turn on notification bell icons to never miss any new uploads from my channel.